Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to bring the Mira Hair Combo from Kpop Demon Hunter straight into Dress to Impress. So if you want to see full Mira Hair Combo tutorial, just watch this video until the end. So let's just get started. So to start, you can put on these items from code items in here. This here, you can get this here by redeem the code Bella Leslie. So put it on and then toggle it into no bangs. Now change the color into this pink color in here. This is the hex code. Okay, and now you can put on another hair. Just go to the salon in here, go to the straight hair category and then put on this hair. Use the same hair color and here adjust the positions Y47 and then the Z59. Put on this hair, toggle it into no bangs and use the same pink color. Now for this hair, you need to adjust it in positions Y into 53. And last one, go to the wavy hair category and put on this one. Toggle it into only bangs. Now here, adjust the Y into 48 and the scale to 43. So this is the final look of my hair combo in DTI. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.